Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, I know a lot of you have been looking for like 1099 contractor positions, things you can set your own schedule for, be your own boss, just work when you want to. This one has that, plus you can work wherever you want to. So hiring worldwide, and I have never seen this before. They are giving daily pay. Of course, the links to the page to put that application in is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. It's going to go to a page on my website that explains the whole job. There's a big green apply now button if you want to apply and get to the website. That is where you need to click on the website. Of course, I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and of course, share with all your friends and family. Now, this is something outside of what I normally share. I normally share like corporate work from home job leads, but this is one of those where you just sign up and you're going to be your own boss. So you have no boss, you don't answer to anybody. So you are setting that own schedule. The company is agents only. They only have 35 reviews on Glassdoor. I have not worked for agents only in the past, but I have worked for other companies like this. It's basically going to be contracting out your customer service abilities. Out of the reviews, though, they have a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. A lot of the reviews, though, the cons don't make much sense to me. A lot of them say things like there's no bonuses available and that there's no benefits available. But 1099 contractor positions are known to not come with benefits, so that doesn't surprise me. And so if you're not expecting that going in, it won't be a con for you. So please make sure you do your own reviews before giving them your personal information. However, what agents only is they employ people to contract out customer service agents. So they might have bigger companies that they work with. I'm not sure what companies they work with, but in the past, I worked for a company like this who worked with things like United Healthcare and AT&T. I worked on multiple different projects where you get to choose the client that you work for. Once you are in, you get to choose the projects that you work on. And of course, pay is going to be dependent on things like the project that you're actually working on. So basically, you just sign up and say, hey, I want to work as a customer service agent. You've got to get in, get all the paperwork and all done, set up, and then you can choose the clients that you're going to work on or the projects that you're going to work on, and then start training and then start working for that client. So a few things about agents only that makes it stand out. You can set your own schedule and work where you want to, when you want to, work the hours that you want. So part-time, full-time, whatever you choose, work on the projects that you want. But it says that you get paid daily, and I've never seen companies that do that before. The customer service company that I worked for previously had like a every bi-weekly pay period that they direct deposited into. Now, a few things to note about this position. It is a referral only based position. So how do you get a referral? You have to go to the agents only marketplace, and then you'll register with the marketplace to get a referral. Now, a few ways that you can register otherwise is going to their Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube accounts. Now, once you go to one of those accounts and sign up, you'll get a referral code. So a current agent that's currently working will email you or text you a referral code that links to their reputation to yours. So it links y'all two together in the system as like partners. Once you get that referral code, you'll receive instructions on how to create your profile and begin the verification process. And once you get through that whole verification process, somebody will call and interview you. Once you get through the interview, if they still like you and think that you have the skills to do the customer service, they'll give you a quick assessment that's going to begin with onboarding and training process of how to use their platform, how to apply for projects, how to verify your payroll so that you can get paid, and how to log in and start working those projects and taking calls, which you'll be paid for daily. All right, I know this one was a little bit different, but if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.